Now I am going to discuss impulse momentum equation. Okay, impulse momentum equation. Equation or relations. Okay, as I told you, in fluid mechanics there are three important equations. One is called continuity equation. Okay, that is based on conservation of mass. Another is called Bernoulli equation, that is based on conservation of energy. Another is called impulse equation, that is based on conservation of momentum. Okay, so this we have studied in fluid kinematics, that already we have derived there. And these two, Bernoulli equation based on conservation of energy, and another impulse equation that is based on conservation of momentum, that this already we have discussed. This I am going to discuss now. So this both are under the fluid dynamics. Okay, so these are the basic three equations: continuity equation, Bernoulli equation, and impulse equation. Okay, so based on the mass is continuity equation, based on the energy Bernoulli equation, and based on the momentum equation, that is impulse equation. So let us see, this is last topic of our unit, so that is called impulse equation. What is that impulse equation? See, this is related with the second law of motion, that is force is equal to mass into acceleration. That is, statement is net force of the fluid is equal to the change of momentum per unit time. So this is second law of motion, that says, that is the statement is there. So what is that statement? Net force of the fluid is equal to the change of momentum per unit time. So force is rate of change of momentum, d into momentum is mass into velocity, per unit time is dt. So F into dt is equal to d into mv. See here. So this equation is known as that is, see, force into time is called impulse, and this is change of mass into velocity, momentum. So it is also known as impulse momentum relation, because equation was there. F into dt is equal to d into mv. From here also we can find it out like this. So F is equal to mass into acceleration, that is dv by dt. So F into dt is equal to m into dv. So F into dt is nothing but impulse, and mass into velocity, that is nothing but your momentum. Okay, so this is very, very important equation which are applicable in fluid machines, where we can find out lot of things by these applications. Okay, so what was the impulse equation? That has come from second law of motion, which says that net force of a fluid is equal to the change of momentum per unit time. So change of momentum, that is mv into dt. So F into dt, see here also F into dt is equal to d into mv. Okay, so mass into velocity. So here mass I have taken out, so mass is constant. So almost both equations are the same. And application, what are the applications of this one, impulse momentum equation? That is very applications of impulse equation. Okay, impulse equation. We have already seen applications of continuity equation. We have also seen applications of energy equation, that is Bernoulli equation, and impulse equation. See here, we have to find out so many resultant forces. Here we are going to find out the resultant forces. Okay, so that is in fluid machine. In next semester we will be studying, that is force of static plate or moving plate. Okay, that is impact of jet. This is called impact of jet also. Okay, so that we will study impact in jet, that is we will study in fluid machine in next semester, but there we are going to apply impulse equation, F is equal to m into F into dt is equal to m into dv. Okay, so that is the application. Another is, it is also used to find out the force of bending in pipes or pipes in bend, force of the pipes which are bent actually. So bent pipe condition also, there also we have to find out this one. Another application is, that is called propulsion, jet propulsion. Okay, or we can call it as propulsive force, propulsive force of jet, that also works on this impulse equation only. So these are the applications. There are so many other applications also, but that is hydraulic jump. Okay, hydraulic jump, there also we are going to apply these equations. Okay, so let us sum up what we have studied in this session. There were three important equations in fluid mechanics. One was continuity equation based on mass, that we have discussed in fluid kinematics. Bernoulli equation, conservation of energy, that also we have discussed in fluid dynamics. And impulse equation today we are going to discuss. See, that says about net force of the fluid is equal to the change of momentum per unit time. Okay, so that is change of momentum, d into mv by dt. So F into dt is impulse and this is momentum, so it is called impulse momentum equation. And application for which are, here we are going to find out the resultant force of so many cases. So number one is force of fixed plate or moving plate, that we are going to discuss in impact of jet. Okay, pipe of the bent, pipe which are bent, there also we have to find out the force, that there also we are going to apply impulse equation. In impulse, that is impulsive force, jet propulsions. Okay, jet propulsions and propulsive force also we are going to find out by applying this impulse equation only. And hydraulic jumps, and there are so many more applications are there of the impulse momentum equation. By this way I have completed your 3 chapters. First one was fluid properties and fluid statics. Second one was fluid kinematics, and third today we are going to complete, that is fluid dynamics. Okay, I will take up new chapter in next class. Thank you.